How to make Canva image high resolution. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you will be able to create better quality images with Canva. Now, typically when people create output in Canva, they would either use some templates just like this one, Instagram Square, or they would create custom sizes over here under pixels within height. And a common mistake that people make is that they don't make the image big enough. Or actually the pixels are too small. So for example, someone created a 600 by 600 pixel, created a design, and they created a design on the specific canvas that they have just created. The output is actually going to be pixelated or not high quality due to the size of the canvas or the image itself, because we have just created 600 by 600. And that might sound big, but it's not actually. That's actually pretty small and pretty not that high, or rather, it's not a high pixelated image. So it's not, obviously, it's not going to look pixelated. So what you need to do is you need to create a higher resolution. So let's say 1920, just like that, or 1920. Or depending on the type of size and ratio of your design, you need to appropriately increase the size of the pixel. Now, if you already created your design and you are trying to increase the quality, but you haven't done this, it's going to be difficult to transfer it one by one, especially if the design is already built. So what you could also do is you could click on the resize and magic switch option over here on the top, and you will be able to resize it to any custom size that you want. So for example, let's actually put a random design over here that we could just test out. So maybe this one, and this one. Make it bigger, just like that. And then we want to resize this. Maybe let's say we could turn it into a different size. There we go. We could resize it into a landscape, but with a bigger sizing, just like that. As you can see, it will automatically change it into a bigger size, and the bigger the pixel, the higher the definition. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.